Hey y'all, it's
Hello.
breakfast time and today we have a White Castle slider. I put some cheese onto it and some pickles and my ghost pepper ranch sauce. I'll show you guys on this side, that side as well. Like it's stuck to it already, but there's sauce in there and there's a monster truck. There's a monster truck, yes it is a monster truck. Alright, let's see how this goes. I also have my habanero hot sauce. I have one baby right next to me. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Mmm. Guys, this is really good. It's really spicy. Holy moly. Yeah. Feel it in the throat. Ouch. But I could add some hot sauce to it. Brought to you by Yellowbird. Can you see Yellowbird? You know?
And Hot Wheels this way.
And Hot Wheels. Wow. Ooh. It's spicy.
It will happen.
It's spicy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. But tastes really, really good. So get yourself a White Castle slider. Put some hot sauce on it.
And my mommy cook.
Looks like a
Enjoy.
picture of myself. Enjoy.